Bank of China is a Chinese national commercial bank headquartered in Beijing and the fourth largest bank in the world. The Bank of China was founded in 1912 by the Republican government as China's central bank. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys to the steps of logging into the online banking service of Bank of America. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.boc.cn.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Bank of China, which looks like this. Now click on the personal banking login. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Now you'll be asked for your username or bank card number. So enter the username and bank card number associated with your account and then enter the password of your account. Once you have filled in both of these details, click on login. And if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can click on this link right here that says forgot username or password. Click here. After that, follow the instructions provided and finally you'll be able to recover your username or reset the password. So once you have entered your login details, click on login and finally you'll be able to sign into the online banking service of Bank of China. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.